Hey guys, welcome back to another new tutorial of PowerPoint School. In our today's tutorial, I will show you how to make this infographic animation in just PowerPoint. So without wasting any further time, let's start the tutorial. Here I have already taken a blank slide. So first, we have to pick a rectangle, drag it over here, make it a smaller one. Go to Format, from Shape Fill, change its color so that it matches with the background. From Shape Outline, select No Outline. Now click on this small arrow, go to Effect. From here we have to set a shadow color, increase the transparency to 50%, keep the size 100%, blur 47 point, angle 90 degree and distance 3 point. Press Ctrl D to make a duplicate, bring it to here, and for this new rectangle, increase the angle to 170 degree, distance 4 point. After that, pick a rectangle again, drag it over here to cover this up, go to Format, from Shape Fill, change its color so that it matches with the background. From Shape Outline, select No Outline. Then press Ctrl D to make a duplicate of this rectangle and place it over the second one. Now you can see that these two shadow rectangles are looking like two different gaps. So I will pick a arrow, drag it over here, go to Format, from Shape Fill, change its color. From Shape Outline, select No Outline. Press Ctrl D to make a duplicate, bring it to here. From Rotate, select Flip Vertical. From Shape Fill, change its color again. Resize it from this side. Right click on it and send it to back. Place it here in the middle of the shadow. After that, select the first arrow, bring it to here in the middle, right click on it and send it to back. Now pick a text box, drag it over here, add some percentage value, increase the font size, make it center, place it over here, press Ctrl D to make a duplicate, bring it to here, change the number, selecting all the text, change the font color. Now before we go to the animation part, select this arrow, holding the shift key, drag it to upward so that it hides behind the shadow rectangle. Then go to animation, click on animation pane to look over our animation status. From add animation, select lines, which is under motion paths. Drag this red dot to upward a bit. Keep this on click, set the duration 0.75 seconds, click on this drop down arrow, from effect option, increase the smooth end and press OK. Select this text box, from add animation, select float in, from effect option, select float down, set start with previous, duration 0.50 seconds. And do the same for this second arrow, take it to down first, from add animation, select lines, from effect option, select up, drag this red dot to upward a bit, set start with previous, duration 0.75 seconds, click on this drop down arrow, from effect option, increase the smooth end and press OK. Select this text box, from add animation, select float in again, set start with previous, duration 0.50 seconds. So now what we need to do, select all of these, then holding the Ctrl Shift, drag it to right and it will be duplicated with the animation. If you want your animation should start with a single click, then you have to change this from on click to with previous. After that, press Ctrl A to select all of these, place them here in the middle of our slide. Now let's get back to our previous slide. Select this one, press Ctrl C to copy and press Ctrl V to paste. And here we are done. Now if you start the slideshow, you can see that all of these are working perfectly. You can download this template for free. I've given the download link in the video description. So if you have enjoyed this work, make sure you give a like for this video. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, share with your friends and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you get a notification when we upload a new video. That's all for today. Hope to see you in the next tutorial and thanks for watching.